Hi kids, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing lesson number 17, شاطئ البحر, which means the beach. So this is your first book in uhhibu arabiyyah. So the first page looks like this. So we have the lesson where the children are doing so many activities. شاطئ البحر, which means the beach. So we have so many children on the beach. سمكة, which means fish. سأقفز في الماء, that is, I'm going to jump inside the water. هاتي الأوامة يا نورة, so the boy is telling, give me the float نورة. خذ الأوامة يا طارق, so take the float طارق. أين بدر, teacher is asking, where's بدر? أنا هنا, I'm here. هذه أصداف, these are shells. المعلمة تجلس تحت المظلة, so the teacher is sitting under the umbrella. أمل تصطاد سمكة بالسنارة, so Amal is fishing the fish by the fishing rod. حسام يقفز في الماء, so Husam is jumping in the water, so we can see he's going to jump into the water. طارق يسبح في البحر, so Tariq is swimming in the sea. Noora, you can see now he is swimming in the sea. Noora tamsiku al-awwama, so Noora is holding the float. Rimu tahfiru al-ramal bil-jaruf, so Reem is using the spade and throwing the sand. Aina Badr, where is Badr? So when you turn to the next page, we have the vocabulary. We are going to learn some vocabulary in this lesson. So the first one is samaka, which means fish, samaka. The next picture is sinara, which means fishing rod, sinara. Ramal, which means sand. The next picture is al-awwama, which means a float, awwama. The next picture is qarib, which means boat, qarib. Asdaf, which means shells, asdaf. Shaṭi, which means the beach, shaṭi. And the final picture is Bahar, which means the sea or the ocean, Bahar. So the next page we are going to learn about hati and khudh. Hati means give and khudh means take. So the first picture we say hati al-jaruf ya Husam, give me the spade or Husam. Hati al-awama ya Noora, give me the life float or Noora. So khudh as al-awama. Hati as-sinara ya Tariq, give me the fishing rod or Tariq. Khudhi as-sinara ya Amal, so take the fishing rod or Amal. Hati asamaka ya Amal, so give me the fish or Amal. And the girl saying khudhi asamaka ya Amal, take the fish or Reem. Hati ajardal ya Badr, take the bucket, give me the bucket Badr. And the Badr is telling khudhi arjaldal ya Noora, take the bucket or Noora. The next picture, hati al-kursi ya Noora, give me the chair or Noora. And Noora is telling khudh al-kursi ya Husam, take the chair or Husam. In this page we are going to learn about hati and hati. Hati is used for the masculine, hati is used for the feminine. So the first picture we can see the teacher is telling to the boy, hati al-kitab ya Tariq, give me the book or Tariq. And he's saying tafaddali, here you go the book, shukran means thank you. Hati al-qalam ya Noora, tafaddali al-qalam, shukran. Hati al-oud ya Husam, give me the mandolin or Husam. Tafaddali al-oud, shukran, here you go the mandolin. Thank you. The next picture we are saying هاتي الصندوق يا أمل. Give me the box or أمل. تفضلي الصندوق. Here you go the box. شكرا. Thank you. The next picture هاتي الحقيبة يا بدر. Give me the bag or بدر. Because it's to a boy you have to say هاتي. So تفضلي الحقيبة. Here you go the bag. شكرا. Thank you. So the next picture is talking to a girl. So we say هاتي المضرب يا ريم. Give me the tennis racket or ريم. تفضلي المضرب. Here you go the racket. شكرا. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe, like and comment for more such videos.